Nganong ikaw na may nanlaba. Mauna na. Kay nganong imong giminyo si Lina ug Amerikano. Si Lina na dato na din ang mamulaba nato. Ikaw na lang maglaba nato.
Yeah, so we just finished this area here, the kitchen and the washing area of Nanay. But we're gonna hook up the line for the water. Tarungan ko nito. We're gonna hook up a line of the water from the kitchen up to here so that it's automatically in the water. We got water for the washing. Because for the meantime, we use this. From the kitchen of Nanay temporarily, and then we still don't have an electricity here for the washing machine, so we just put some extension wire which is temporarily. So Terence is in town because he went to the ophthalmologist. Supposedly I'm gonna going with him, but I got a bad stomach this morning, so I didn't go. And then I just decided to do some washing. Manangli before it's Mananglina who do our washing, but then Mananglina now is doing well, so he's now in Talibon doing shopping. Which we're very happy for the outcome of her life. So I'll do the our washing machine is not automatic, so I'm just doing some hand washing first, and then after I'll just put that in the washing machine. And then later Nanay will be the one to hang it because it's not really heavy, so I'll just put the bucket of clothes there on the hanging area, and Nanay will do the hanging. Yeah, so it's beautiful day. It's very beautiful day, right Nanay?
Yeah, that is a beautiful day.
The other problem of doing washing, doing the laundry, it's very painful in the back later on, you know, in this side. Pero yan na na eh.
Karong maglaba iba sig inilang bantayan nga. Oo. Wala ka kung awan law ba kay di ra ba kalaban dito.
I'm not a lavandera. Yeah. When I was in college before, I was in Cebu. My sister-in-law, and even when I work, sometimes I'm the one who do the laundry. And then sometimes my sister-in-law just goes to my boarding house and check if I have a lot of laundry. And she bring my laundry to her house and do the wash. Because I grew up that it's my oldest siblings is the one who do the laundry. So, and also Nanay, so that's why I'm not plan on doing housework. Yeah, so that's it, Nanay. Storya Nanay. Storya Nanay. Kumusta man ka, Nanay?
Okay.
Wala ka na high blood.
Thank you Lord Jesus. One
Wala ka nagsika o dagan ka noon.
Wala isig na malatag utan. Wala namang di mamupalit og baboy taon. Oy.
Nanay complained that we always eat vegetable now because we didn't buy any meat. I think the last time we buy meat is when we got visitor, yeah. When we got our last visitor is Jan S, so that's the time that we buy some meat. After that, we didn't buy any meat anymore because if we got meat in the ref, in the refrigerator, and I decided to eat meat, then Terence will also gonna eat. So Terence and I decided that if there's no meat, there's no temptation of eating meat, so it's just vegetable. And then it's funny because Manong Rado Manong Rado is eating here every night, and then Manong Rado said, vegetable. Because before, usually we got me pork, nilatan nga baboy, sinigang, and then, but now, for I think over 3 months now, or 2 months, we're always having vegetable. And sometimes I make joke of Nanay that it seems we're gonna katay, we're gonna like a squash, because majority is we got squash, some leaves vegetable. So we're gonna have some roots soon. But so far, it's really good. It feels good eating healthy. Because our regular bowel is doing good, and at the same time, uh, we feel good on doing things, right, Nanay?
Yeah.
And especially we're also doing that for